Going away to Finland it's helped with just seeing what's out there. A lot of these pupils, they haven't spent a night away from here, they haven't spent a night away from home. So it's just made them so confident knowing that they can actually do it, they can achieve it.
Canolfan Addysg Conwy ydy'r unedau cynwysiad yn Conwy i blant sydd wedi ffeindio'n anodd i ymdopi efo prif lif.
When I found out I was going to Finland, I was really excited.
I think I was mainly excited to be with everyone and do different activities and stuff that you wouldn't get the chance to do in the UK.
I was nervous just about the airports. Airports just stress me out. I don't like just being there, very crowded. But I do think I did well in the airport.
I think that the opportunities are slimmer for pupils with additional learning needs, so the TIFE funding has allowed us to support our learners who all have additional learning needs and give them this opportunity of a lifetime.
Both my kids are complex neurodivergent young people who have got the same opportunities as their peers who go to mainstream settings. They had an opportunity to see the Northern Lights. They were doing outdoor yoga and building igloos. It was just absolutely incredible. I was absolutely blown away that there was not a contribution asked for from parents. I mean, that was just remarkable.
I'd say I'm more confident now than probably going into the trip. I barely talk to anybody. I didn't have many IRL friends. I didn't really leave the house too much, so going on a trip where I'm around people 24/7, it definitely makes you feel like you've grown and kind of evolved since then.
Dwi'n meddwl mae hunain ddelwedd yn disgyblion ni fel arfer yn isel. Maen nhw'n teimlo'n hunain ella fod nhw wedi methu. Felly mae'r cyfle yma i fynd allan o'r wlad yn rhoi'r hyder yna i rei o'r plant sydd byth yn meddwl sy'n nhw'n gallu llwyddo.
Here in Wales we have an incredible culture, and it was an opportunity to go to another country really and experience their culture so that the pupils could draw similarities and see the differences and just have a broader understanding of the world that they wouldn't have done without this experience.
Since I've been on the trip, I've had the chance to speak to Finnish people and different people that I wouldn't normally speak to.
Some of our young people, their world is so small and they can't see themselves even leaving their own hometown. But this was a trip to show that there are other opportunities out there.
I want to travel the world now, really. It's great to get out of this country and explore and adventure more places.
And for families who maybe financially wouldn't be able to do this kind of trip, or might not feel confident travelling with a complex young person, this trip was so incredibly valuable in opening up the world for these young people.
TIFE is important because it gives these people opportunities they may not have had in the first place to go and experience the world and experience things they wouldn't have before, and you never know, it may change how they view their life and what they may do in the future.